Report by Indian Today. In an astonishing feat that has taken social media by storm, a real estate developer in China has constructed a 10-story earthquake-resistant residential building within 28 hours. Broad Group, the developer of the building, shared a video of the construction in China's Changsha city, which has gone viral. The real estate company used prefabricated construction systems to deliver the project. The rooms and other building modules were already prepared in a factory, and later each part was transported to the site on trucks. Each building module has the same dimensions as a shipping container when folded, making it very easy to transport. At the construction site, the units were stacked on top of each other and bolted in place into a fully formed tower. Standard container size, low-cost transportation worldwide. Extremely simple on-site installation, the company says in the video. All that was required after the installation was to just tighten bolts and connect water and electricity. Broad Group has said the building is earthquake resistant and can also be disassembled and moved to another location. Report by ABC News, a Chinese company has seemingly accomplished the impossible, putting up a 30-story building in half as many days. Broad Sustainable Building finished construction on the 30-story hotel prototype in the city of Changsha after only 15 days of construction. The construction was able to proceed so fast because the foundation was laid ahead of time, and the building was largely factory manufactured. Once the pieces were shipped to the site, all that was left was for the construction workers to put it all together, which they did at record speed. According to Broad Sustainable Building's website, the building was 93% factory-made, a process which they say eliminates the risks associated with design and construction quality, budget and construction delays. Critics, however, question the safety of the building, pointing to the lack of oversight and pace at which it went up. Broad Sustainable Building has attempted projects like this before, building a 15-story hotel in just a week as well as a 6-story pavilion in less than a day. However, this is the first time they have attempted a project of this magnitude. The company claims that their building method is environmentally efficient, reducing waste and greenhouse gas emissions. Report by The Guardian. A Chinese construction company is claiming to be the world's fastest builder, after erecting a 57-story skyscraper in 19 working days in central China. Broad Sustainable Building, a prefab construction firm, put up the rectangular glass and steel mini Sky City in the Hunan provincial capital of Changsha, assembling 3 floors a day using a modular method, the vice president, Xiao Chongying, said. The company now has ambitions to assemble the world's tallest skyscraper, at 220 floors, in only 3 months. The rectangular, glass and steel building has 19 atriums, 800 apartments and office space for 4,000 people. It worked on mini Sky City in 2 bursts interrupted by bad weather. Its time-lapse video of the rapid build has become popular on Chinese video sharing sites since it was first uploaded to YouTube. With the traditional method, they have to build a skyscraper brick by brick. But with our method, we just need to assemble the blocks, the company engineer Chen Xiangqian said. Modular methods have been used for high-rise apartment blocks elsewhere, including in Britain and the US. Some critics say the method could lead to cityscapes with overly uniform architecture. Lu Peng, the associate director of the engineering consulting firm Erects Beijing, said the method was worth developing because it could become a safe and reliable way to build skyscrapers quickly. But it is not perfect, and it does not meet all kinds of personalized demands, Lu said. People nowadays want more personalized architecture. Mini Sky City has 19 atriums, 800 apartments and office space for 4,000 people, with space in the building going on sale in May. The structure is safe and can withstand earthquakes, according to Xiao. Broad Sustainable Building spent 4.5 months fabricating the building's 2,736 modules before construction began. The first 20 floors were completed last year. And the remaining 37 were built from January 31st to February 17th this year, Xiao said. The company had honed its technology to speed up its construction. From 2 floors to 3 floors a day, he added. This is definitely the fastest speed in our industry. The company is awaiting approval for its 220-floor building, called Sky City, which will also be in Changsha.